Hello, welcome once again. Funke Oyende here with the training on making this paper leaf. You can see it's looking nice and long, and I want to show you how to make this design. So you just get your paper in any color you want to use to make your leaves, and then you cut it into size as big or small as you want your leaf to be. For my leaf here, I have 12 inches. I'm using a paper of 12 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. So next, you fold it into two in the middle. You fold it in two like this. After folding it in two, you grab your pen and then you draw the shape of a leaf on it like that, and then you give it a little stalk. So after that, now I went on to draw the design, all this how I want the leaves to be, like a fan like that. So I drew the design on my leaf. This is the initial shape of the leaf there, and then this is for the dividing of the leaves into like small blades like this. So I drew the design all along my leaf. So the next thing is just for me to cut out the design with my scissors. So I just cut out the design gradually and I'll arrive at this. Let me do that now. So I'm first of all cutting out my leaf shape, then I'll start cutting out the designs. And that's how I will continue until I finish at the base of the leaf. So all this, I have to remove all these ones. I remove all those space, all those paper to create spaces between the leaf blades. And then finally, I'm done. So I open up my leaf, and here we are. We have a beautiful leaf to use along with our paper flowers. I hope you love this and you can see how easy it is to make it. Thank you so much for watching. Funke Oyende signing off. Bye bye.